All right, so we're trying to get this 2008 Buick Enclave started. Something wrong with the engine, so I'm gonna do a quick walk around of it to see how good condition is it right now. It's a little huge chips right here, paint peeling off right there. Not gonna show you all the information. Pearl white. This thing does see much better days. This thing does see much better days.
There's a photo right there. Like
3.6 liter V6, 3.6 liter.
That sheet that gave you, those are some of the questions.
The inside is very in rough shape.
Yeah, I gave you
This thing does see much better
I
days.
wish I had it for you, Ant. I just got them in today. Come back in the summer, 30 days, you take it over.
only reason why I didn't pass because the site crashed twice, so I couldn't walk back in.
You just finished? No, tell me.
Wood grain.
Site crash. Let me give you that paper so you can
I'm going to do better. I didn't get home.
I'm glad you told me the site crash.
Batteries connected.
Here we go. This is Davion, one of my students. He's begging now. He's singing the song, please, please, please. You think he's James Brown. So what he's doing is he did a walk around of this vehicle. Now he wants to find out what's wrong with it. We have some engine troubles, and what he's getting ready to do now is take that broom, grab your broom. I got you on video. All right, I'm gonna pause the video. What he's getting ready to do is finish cleaning up what he's supposed to be doing. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Sorry about that, y'all. That was my instructor trying to be funny. But anyways, stay tuned. See you on the next video.